Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Forms in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab. Get here we find plus button, click on plus button, new tab is open. In new tab, here we find Google Apps, click on the Google Apps, scroll down in a Google Apps and find Google Forms. Here we find Forms, click on the Forms and Google Forms is open now. In Google Forms, in a Google Chrome, we find three dot, click on this three dot at the top, scroll down and find save and share, go to the save and share. In a save and share, we find create a shortcut, click on a create a shortcut. Here we find Google Forms, you can give any name. Main IMP is open as a window. Check this mark, select this, open as a window and click on create. New pop-up box window is appear, close it, click on no thanks. Close the Google Chrome. On desktop, we find Google Forms shortcut. Also in start, we find Google Forms shortcut. That means our Google Forms is installed in our Windows 11. Open it from anywhere. I open it from the desktop. Double click on desktop on shortcut. And here we find Google Forms open as an app in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.